Yo, what is happening, guys? Welcome to the video. So I'm going to be explaining in this video the exact process that you can use to do YouTube automation using AI. So a lot of you may be doing search-based YouTube automation or the regular YouTube automation. And by the way, if you want to learn all of this step by step, what you can do is click the first link in the video description to take you to my community where you can get a 7 days free trial, and then it's just $7 a month to learn this exact process step by step. But when it comes to creating a YouTube video, okay, first of all, you need a script, okay? If you're doing regular search-based YouTube automation, you don't necessarily need a script, okay? But if you're doing normal YouTube automation, then you definitely need a script. And then you need a voiceover. So you need a voiceover. And then thirdly, you need an editor to put that all together. And once you have the script ready, you do the voiceover, you edit the video completely, then you can move on to step number 4 of actually getting a thumbnail, okay? And luckily for us in 2026, all of these things can be done using AI. You can use a ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini to come up with a script. You can use 11 Labs for voiceover or any of the free ones available for you. You can edit the video for free in CapCut, and then you can create a thumbnail with ChatGPT. So for an example, if I go onto YouTube right now, and let's just search for something. So for an example, so if you see a channel like this called the Explainer Boss and you want to do similar videos, you go to the videos tab and you can see, okay, your life is every level of esports player, your life is every level in the USA. Now, this can all be done using AI. So if, for an example, you go to their popular videos and then you want to create a spin-off of this. So example, this one month ago got 112,000 views. Your life is every level of basketball player. So what you can actually do is you can take a couple of screenshots of this channel. Okay, I'm going to take 2 sets of screenshots right now. And then what we can use is for scripts. For scripts, I recommend that you use Claude AI. So I'm going to open up Claude. Let me just close this, start a new chat, and then I'm going to add those screenshots into Claude, those 2, okay? And then I'm going to say, I'm just going to use the voice feature. I uploaded 2 screenshots and I want to create similar videos to this channel who's doing these every life of type of explainer videos. Can you analyze their titles framework and give me some other titles that I can potentially upload onto my channel and create a new unique titles every single time? Don't duplicate the titles. Okay, then you can push send once you've done that. And then Claude will go ahead and analyze everything. And it says, looking at these screenshots, the channel uses a very consistent framework. Okay, so then we need, and then it gives you 30 unique title ideas that you can use. So your life is every level of boxing champion, your life is every level of MMA fighter, and so on. So, and then it gives you all of these ones. Your life is every level of real estate investor. So I kind of like that one. So what I'm going to do is copy that. And then I'm going to say, can you give me a 2,000 word script for this topic? Then you just paste it in there and then you click on send. Okay, and this is going to be taking care of your script, so that'll just take a moment. And now we've basically done the script part. So if I go back to Claude, it says working, check front end, and then now it's writing the whole entire script. Okay, so that is excellent. And what you want to do when it comes to using these AI scripts is you want to read through them and you want to make adjustments to the script so it doesn't sound so much like AI, just read through the script, add and change a few things, and then it's going to be much more human sounding, and you're going to get better views that way. So it's busy working on that, and in the meantime we can go on to the voiceover. Now for the voiceover, okay, you want to have a quality voiceover. You don't want to be doing anything that doesn't sound good or anything like that. So the best one that you can use is 11 Labs. Okay, this isn't totally free, but if you're starting a YouTube automation business, you will have some expenses like $100 to $150 or $120 per month for your actual tools that you use. So what you can do is create, you can sign up. I don't have any affiliate links right here. Okay, and then you can basically sign up and go to AI voice generator, and you can basically use 11 Labs to come up with the voiceover. Okay, so that's a very simple process. All you need to do is input your script into 11 Labs and it will give you the voiceover. Quick and simple. So let's just check on our script here. So it said failed to load the document. Okay, so we need to refresh that, I think. So here's the actual script right here. What you can do is you can open it in the side or just click the Google Drive, and then it should open up in Google Drive. So that's loading up, and this is real estate investor script, and here it is right here. Okay, so you just read through this, and this is an editable document, so you just read through this and make any sort of adjustments you want to make, and then you'll have your script. Plug that into 11 Labs, then you have your voiceover and you're good to go. Then we move on to editing the video. Okay, so if you take a look at these types of videos, you want to create these types of animations, okay, or whatever you're doing. You want to create, so let me just turn the volume down. You want to be able to create these animation type of images, and what you can do, what I recommend that you do is you take a screenshot of one of the animations, okay, and then you go to another tool that's called Higgsfield AI. Okay, and Higgsfield AI will allow you to create all these images, and then you all edit them together in CapCut. Okay, so what you need to do with go back to Claude and then say I'm just going to use the dictation. Okay, for the script, I want you to create 50 image prompts that I can plug into Higgsfield that will allow me to generate the visuals for my actual YouTube video, so that I can mix the visuals with the voiceover in my video editing software. Give me 50 prompts that I can use to generate these images. And then you just click on send, and now Claude is going to give you the prompts right here. A young man laying in bed at midnight. You can choose the style of what sort of style you want to go with your videos. You can use the stick man or that one I just showed you. So you just take this exact, and there's going to be 50 of them. Okay, so this might take 10 to 15 minutes, but you go back to Higgsfield, you go to image. Okay, so you go to create your image. You can use Nano Banana Pro. That's good. You paste in your prompt right there, and then it costs 2 credits to generate that. Okay, so that's how you generate your images, and obviously you want to select 16:9, and you can go with 1K or 2K, and that'll get you the best results. And then you've almost created a video. You need to edit the video. What you can do is use a free video editing software called CapCut. Okay, and all you need to do, you can use it on the browser, or you can use the desktop app like you see I have it. Input your, let me just go back here, input your voiceover into the CapCut and input all the images you generated, and then you mix, you put them all together, make sure they're all in the correct order, and then you can export that video, and then that part is done. Then you just need a thumbnail. Thumbnails are really easy to generate. So for an example, if we go back to this one right here, if you come across a thumbnail that you want to replicate, you can, for an example, either take a screenshot of it, or go to copy link address. Then you go to YouTube thumbnail downloader. And what you do right here is you just paste in the link and then click on paste. And then you just download that thumbnail. Now the AI that I recommend you use to be able to make thumbnails is ChatGPT. So go into ChatGPT, add the photo. So what you want to do is you want to find that download. There we go. And then you simply, ChatGPT is so good these days, you can just say replicate this thumbnail if you're doing like a one-to-one copy of a video, or if you're doing another video, you can tell it to make adjustments. So that will basically create this image, and I'll get back to you when it's done. And if you're on the free plan, as you can see, I'm on the free plan of ChatGPT. If you're on the free plan, you can create about 2 to 3 thumbnails per day. And that's more than enough to get your channel started. So you can see there's the original thumbnail and there's the ChatGPT version. Pretty much the exact same thumbnail, but obviously you don't want to upload a one-to-one copy of someone's thumbnail. You want to make changes to it. So if it's for investing, or sorry, real estate, you want to make sure that your thumbnail represents the real estate. What you can do is just take inspiration from it. So use this cartoon style in your thumbnail to replicate another thumbnail. So what we've covered so far is we created a script, we did a voiceover, we edited together in CapCut, and then we created the thumbnail. Now, if you want to learn how I personally do YouTube automation, something which is known as search-based YouTube automation, what you can do is click the first link in the video description. It'll take you to my community. You can get a 7 days free trial. And then after that, it's just $7 per month. We do a weekly call every single Saturday in the community, and that helps you to grow and scale your search-based channel. Then we have the Search Mastery course, which is going to give you all the in-depth, step-by-step instructions on exactly how this is all done. And then if you are not able to attend the live calls, just go to the classroom, go to the weekly call recordings, and I upload the call recording straight after the live call so that you can watch it on the replay. And then we have the community aspect of it, where you can ask me any questions and the community, and you can get one-on-one direct support, all for just $7 per month. Okay, so click the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you on the inside.